Hello guys, and in this video I will show you how to install Google Assistant on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. Let's get started, but don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, as a first step, we need to wake up our watch by wake up raise by clicking this home button or double tap on your screen. After this, swipe up to see the applications on your watch. Click on this Play Store icon and click on this search button right here. And write right here Google Assistant. You can use these shortcuts on the top of your screen to make it easier and faster. After, click on this search. And now, as you can see, I've met a problem where I can't see the Google Assistant application after a search. Don't worry, we can fix it. Let me show you how. Click on this button to go back on a home page and scroll down until you will reach the end of the page. And click on Settings. Now scroll down and click on About. And right here, click on Update Play Store. After this, click on this button to go back on a home page. When you are here, click on this tab Manage Apps. Go a little bit lower and find Google Assistant. Click on it and click on Update. Wait until it will update, and after that it will automatically install. After the Google Assistant downloads, I can congratulate you. We successfully solved the problem when you can't see it after a search, and now you can enjoy the Google Assistant on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.